going to be an amazing day. We've got a really exciting program ahead of us. So now that I have welcomed our guest of honors, I'll welcome everyone else. I want to appreciate our partners in the ECD ecosystem who have come to support us today. We've got a guest from One-to-One Africa. We've got guests from Cortlands. We've got guests from the Department of Education. And I also want to appreciate our franchisors in the Eastern Cape. I want to appreciate our partner in the Eastern Cape, Khululeka. The director of Khululeka is here. I'm going to ask her to stand.
I'm very sad they can say we are going to dance, watch and see.
I know I've been introduced, but so that you know where I'm coming from Queenstown or Komani in the Eastern Cape, from Khululeka. So I want to thank my colleagues. It's been really a transformational journey, and you can see that Khululeka and Siyakholwa have really worked together to be able to consolidate something and provide Smartstart to the Eastern Cape. And I want to hear those voices now. Rejoice started off so well. Who knows how old Smartstart is? 10 years. We are celebrating 10 years of collective achievement within the network. We take pride in the fact that we have strengthened ECD. ECD needs to be the first thing on the agenda for our young children, so that our children can thrive and so they can succeed. We want to know that every child is given the opportunity to be able to reach their full potential. That is what each one of you are here for, to be able to provide that opportunity for young children.
You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting to this is precious you got it all, believe it. You don't get up, you don't get up, cause this is Africa.
Good afternoon. My name is Tafara Shuro. I'm Executive Director of Siyakholwa Development Foundation. We're an NGO based in the Eastern Cape Province. We are today at the Cambridge Civic Centre in East London. to celebrate 10 years of early childhood development, we implement a program called Smartstart that was created to target ages between 3 and 5 year olds to close the access gap of early learning. So his statistics show us that 2 out of 10 children get access to early learning. Smartstart was then created or founded to ensure that that access gap can be closed. So we've had 10 years now of really working in the Eastern Cape in different areas, eKobokobo, eMonti, eMthatha, eBhayi, eGini. We are really excited about the progress that we've been able to make in this sector. Within the Smartstart network, we are reaching now 162,000 children. We are still really pursuing the 2030 vision to really be able to get to 1 million children per year. So we're really excited. We have all the representatives from those areas, and it's an exciting day for us.
Parents that do not pay, that do not appreciate, zonke ezi zinto, but you guys continue to wake up every morning to do this work. And 10 years later, we have 162 children in the system. We know you, we see the sacrifice that you are making. So we just wanted to acknowledge that. In the Eastern Cape, we have a process or we have a platform that we are calling the Regional Hub. I-Regional Hub in organization ezimbili ezilidayo nguSiyakholwa noKhululeka. Under Siyakholwa and Khululeka, we have other NGOs under that umbrella in Small Projects Foundation, Sinayo Nolaita Foundation. All of that is done to ensure that we can reach the remotest parts of the province. Ongakwazi ukufikelela i-department sikwazi ukuyofikelela, because every child in the province, in South Africa, in every corner of this country is important. You have seen the impact of the work that you do. Therefore, we need to make sure that we can reach out to all the children. So, today I've got all these beautiful coaches and they all come to the front. When they call for PQAs, please answer their phones. Because ukufonela ucelwa ngePQA kubalekile because sifuna lengane izokwazi uya eVits yeNMU. Lento yamaphara asifuni. Never lento yamaphara asifuni. So we are coming together as these organizations. We've got this vision, but we are not able to do it on our own. We need you to be able to partner with us. And we need, for this to work, we need to work together. Therefore, we have a vision for the province. We are working day and night to make sure that we're able to get to the remotest parts, as I said. But we are also appreciating that we are where we are now 10 years later. We have children in schools where the teachers are saying, akafani umntana kaSmartstart nomunye umntana. Akafani, akafani. Because umntana kaSmartstart ulungiselelwe, stimulated, playing as you are learning. Sifuna lento ifikele nakwabanye abantu. We have colleagues today from different organizations, Scotland's, we had iTech yesterday, we invented besinayo. Asinamona ngumntana. Sifuna umntana wonke efikeleleka ngithi. Siyacela ke sizawusebenzisana. We have done the first 10 years. God knows 2030 is here, so we are going to continue on this journey. Siyakholwa Khululeka, Laita, Scotland's, whoever comes on this journey, we all have a responsibility to make sure that we can take this thing forward. But we acknowledge that you are the foot soldiers that will take this work to the next level. We want to acknowledge you, we want to honor you, we want to thank you for the work that you have done. Ningakhathali, ningadinwa.
My name is Mary Fenter and I'm from Khululeka, based in Kamani in the Eastern Cape. We are a non-profit organisation that addresses early learning, and we have partnered with Smartstart, who is a national social franchise that has created a delivery platform with a program that looks at increasing access to quality early learning across South Africa. Today we are very fortunate to be able to celebrate at the 2025 Unite, and it's really an acknowledgement and celebration of a decade of service within Smartstart. We are really excited to be able to acknowledge our Smart Starters and practitioners that are on the ground. Currently we have nearly 2,000 Smart Starters across the Eastern Cape, and we are able to bring them together today, or a portion of them, to be able to acknowledge their efforts working in really tough conditions but providing opportunities for young children to thrive. So we are really blessed and excited to be able to be part of it in partnership with Siyakholwa as well as Khululeka. Laita and Small Project Foundation, we have founded a regional hub which is looking to work more closely with partnerships with Department of Education as well as Social Development and Health to be able to create a sectoral environment in which we can collaborate and hopefully make meaningful change. It really is an opportunity where we can make sure that as a sector we come together, we collaborate, we partner to be able to make meaningful change in lives of young children.
Good day, my name is Siyakholwa Khululeka and I'm the Chief Program and Platform Officer at Smartstart. We're here in 2025's first Unite of a series of 9 in the Eastern Cape in East London, and we're celebrating our regional hub hosted by our partners Siyakholwa Khululeka, Laita and Small Project Foundation. Here we're here to celebrate unity that is led by partnership, and partnerships led by women. And we are here to say that today we're giving them the spotlight, the power, the shine that they deserve for all the hard work that they are doing in building a nation. And this starts with the youngest generation, the 3 to 5 year olds. So this group of early learning practitioners that are here to unite and hold each other's hands so that they can lead us as organizations in an effort to empower the next generation of thriving South Africa for a thriving country. That's why we're here today.
Okay.
Igama lam ndinguzukiswa Mfaniso, ndihlala eKhwetyana, eNewlands, eEast London, kwaSibozane. Ndirana ikritshi, igama layo yiZobuhle Early Childhood Development. Ndiziva kamnandi, happy, kumnandi kum emphefumulweni wam ngale mini namhlanje. It's the first day to meet into enjena. Andiyazi kushukuma amathumbu ngaphakathi. Ndiva kumnandi kangangokuba ka ndibuya back ndisiya esenteni ndiza kwenza more kunoba bendisenza. Kumnandi kakhulu kum ngale mina namhlanje ndithi alala.
Sisi wam, kumzali opha endlini obukela i-Bcmtv, uSmartstart or uSiyakholwa banencedisa ngantoni phaa kwezi schools zenu phaa ekuhlaleni, and ziluncedo kangakanani ezi zinto nizifumana phaa kuSiyakholwa?
uSmartstart, Siyakholwa baluncedo kakhulu kuthi phayana ekuhlaleni phaa kwi-ECD yam. Basiprovayida ngepapa ekuthiwa yiDumo, basiprovayida nge-tools. Xa ujoyine uSmartstart akukho nto uyisokolayo, bakunika itool yosebenza.
Dust yourself up and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it. You got it all, believe it. When you go get up, oh, if you go get up, it's time going on. Cause this is...
So Smartstart is a network of organizations. It's not just a single organization. It's a network of organizations across South Africa. We've decided to come together and appreciate the assets and the strengths that we already have in South Africa as a starting point to get to where we need to be in the country. And they've come together as a group of early childhood development organizations to say that for us to give all the 1.3 million children access to quality early learning in South Africa, we need to hold the kind of work solution. We need to partner with partners. So hence this network has come together, and by now 15 organizations later, including Smartstart as an organization, we have 15,000 women across the country and over 162,000 children that have been given and supported with quality early learning throughout the country. Our job is not done. This is just 20% of the problem. We still have a long way to go, but today we decided to take stock and say we're coming to celebrate where we are as progress, and to say how do we encourage, how do we appreciate, and how do we see each other so that we can catapult to 10x this and be able to make sure that all of South Africa's children can access quality early learning regardless of where they come.
That's how I T-A-R-T. The sun is out, everybody get up. It's a brand new day. Come on, now stretch and smile. We got lots to see, do and learn. Smartstart gives you la 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 la.